Everybody, this video I just want to demonstrate to you guys how you can fix that CUDA issue that's been popping up when you launch your DaVanci Resolve or just any application. The issue with this, as far as I know, is you just need to update your graphics card, graphics driver. So I'll demonstrate to you guys when I open the video editing app. Okay, so I get this warning right here, GPU configuration warning. So CUDA, not CUD. So when I go to update configuration, it brings me to this media storage, memory and GPU, this settings, general settings right here. So, and I mean, I could uncheck this, but I want to use my video card since it's dedicated and works better. So to fix that, go to your NVIDIA control panel right here. I'm gonna close out of this. Usually the update version right here pops up. If not, you can click a button right here to manually check for updates. So I'll relaunch it. And drivers. So that was released a couple weeks ago. This new GeForce Game Ready driver. So I am going to, that was installed way long time ago. I haven't used this in a while, so just download that, wait for it to download. Once it is downloaded, just click install. This pops up, allow it. Express installation is good enough, so I'll just go with that. And then just be aware that, the screen may flash because it's updating the video card. So just be aware your computer is fine. All right, so this is finally updated. So I'm just gonna close out of this and that should be good. So it's up to date, just to confirm. And then I'm gonna relaunch the application and it should let me through. I just exit out of it. There you go, everything is good. If this helps, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your feedback. Thanks.